Morning, guys. Friday, October 14th, 2022. Um, what a day, right? Yesterday. Excuse me. Third biggest reversal in history of the stock market, the New York Exchange. Something without precedence. Let's see the charts here. Um, of course, behind this was a very important catalyst. Uh, last night, yesterday morning at 8:30 a.m., we had the CPI data coming out, which it did very hot. It came out higher than expected. A few I think the expected was 8.1 and it came out 8.3, something like that. But the thing is that the Federal Reserve keeps on raising interest rate and the inflation is like laughing at it, and it keeps or maintaining or going up, which is very, very bad. Um, that's going to make the Federal Reserve like even more aggressive. They need to attack this problem, or the way they're going to do it is what they've been doing so far, but probably more aggressive. They finally doing the tapering, like their balance sheet is shrinking like at a record pace, and the interest rate are high and they are gonna be higher now. Let's go to what happened yesterday. We opened at 36.25. Um, CPA. Excuse me. That was at 8:15. We at 8:30 we were at 36.30. CPI came out and we sold all the way. Look at this candle. We sold all the way to 35.02. That's 120 points, over 120 points. And then it bounced like there was no tomorrow. The high of the day yesterday was 30, what? Yeah, almost 3,700. That's a reversal of 200 points. Insane. Um, a lot of people ask why, if the inflation numbers came out hot, why do we reverse? Why the stock market closed green? Remember, yeah, there are fundamentals, there are news and information, but technicals in the stock market are key. There are certain levels up or down where the market is going to react, some points more aggressive than others. Okay, and for that we need to zoom out, and we're gonna see the 3 week 3 years, 1 week. 1 second please. Okay. 3 year 1 week chart. Don't mind my clutter and my mess here, but levels are levels and they stay there forever. So look where the candle is here, and we are going here and here and here. You see, this was a very strong resistance. Tested one, twice, 3 times, then it became support, fourth. So that's each candle here represents a week. That's 4 weeks trying that. Plus, look at the volume show here. The candle itself is very weak. If you see the wick of that candle is very long, which show weakness to the downside. And it looks like we held this area of the volume shelf, falling like around, like falling below 3,500 would have brought the ES probably to 3,450, 3,400. We bounced really hard. Support there was strong, but the real deal here is ton of institutions have been short for a long time now in higher levels. So they think that 3,500 was a perfect spot to cover their shorts. What happened when you cover a short? You're short. To cover it, you need to sell. You need to rebuy back that position. What happened to when you rebuy? The supply start coming in, the demand start increasing, and the price starts going up. Uh, that with a combination of people being also short at a lower level and getting their stop triggered, because when the price started going up, these people that were short, they were thinking that the ES and the SPY and the SPX were gonna go down like under 3,500. It bounced, and when it started bounce with strength, those stops started getting those shorts started getting stopped. So when the short stop start getting triggered, what happened? The short buys a position. Again, that makes the price goes up, and then it causes this vertical move to the upside. Of course, there are also a ton of money going in, taking advantage of this impressive move. But remember, we're still in a bear market. We are not out of the hole yet, especially after those inflation numbers from yesterday. But the stock market could remember also that October is the third or fourth month of the year that has the most bullish move. So October is a pretty interesting month. I think we're gonna have room. Like this is also very important. This is the long-term downtrend line. See how it stopped here. It was resistant. Now it becomes support. So for me now, above 35, 36.45, we are going to have room to probably 37.55, with probably a final destination on this month of 38.10, 38.55. Let's go real quick. That was a little explanation of my thoughts of what happened yesterday. So let's go real quick. It's already almost 9, so let's get this done real quick. My pivot today is going to be 36.95. Market already squeezing again. All ES is up 0.7%. If we hold, we have room to 37.15, 37.30, 37.55, which is a very strong resistance. We might get there and break it and go all the way to 37.80, 37.95, and 3,800. Unable to hold, we're gonna sell back to 36.70, 36.45, which is the downtrend line. If we saw here, we're gonna start selling harder. 36.25, 3600. Below these, bears are back happy and in control, and the reversal could be now to the downside. So we need to be careful on that area. So a few names today. We entered a trade in Netflix yesterday after the news. We enter at like what was it? Probably around two 227, probably around this candle here. We got $230 call starting today. We closed half of it at like some at 50, some at 80%. And today we are gonna be closing the rest probably, I would say around 400 and 500%. We have Delta Airlines upgraded. Chart looks good for continuation. This I would take probably October 21st, and I would take the 30, probably the 32, depending on the price. We also have, what else do we have? We have TSM. TSM also looks, this still downtrending, but let's see if we can catch a bottom here, especially if we go above, if we stay above 67. I would do a midterm swing, probably with a strike of 75, probably December. And we have DPZ, Domino's Pizza. Also a midterm swing above 336, 335. I would want to see probably the 350s. Okay, all right, guys. Any questions? Discord group or social media. Have a great day.